When it comes to 3D modeling in Blender, there's three key elements that can make or break your scene, and that is modeling, texturing, or lighting. The one I'll be talking about today is texturing. I'll be showing you one of the most useful tricks that I've learned throughout my 3D career that can instantly increase the quality of your renders. So let's dive straight into it. Procedural texturing, one of the most fun ways to texture an object. Unlike image textures, these textures can be altered by altering a node value. You can change the scale, detail, roughness. I'll show you an example. Here's an example of 4 different procedural materials that I've made in Blender, and these materials can easily be altered by the node editor right here, and the scale, roughness, distortion can be changed, and that just changes the whole look of the texture. Instead of getting a new image texture, you can just change the values here. That's why procedural texturing is more favorable by the Blender community.
Good night, girl. I'll see you tomorrow.
So the first procedural material we're going to be creating is the Rustic Material. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is create a new material, and what you want to do to that material is add in a color ramp. Once you've added the color ramp, you want to add in a noise texture, so like so. Once you've added in the noise texture, you just plug it into the color ramp and then plug the color into the base color like so. And now what you want to do is add in a mapping node like so, and then plug the vector into the vector like so, and then add in a texture coordinate like so. Just follow the steps along, but yeah, we want to click on this little object thing here, and you want to plug that into a vector like so. Once you've done that, that's the basic kind of setup done. And now what you want to do is you want to add another color ramp, duplicate that color ramp, and then what you want to do is plug in the noise texture into the other color ramp, and then what you want to do is add in a bump node like so, and then you want to link that color to the bump node like so, and then you want to put that bump into normals like so, and that is the basic kind of thing done. And now that has just added loads of bumps to the object, and you can reduce how much bumps you want by the slider that I'm using right now. You can play around with the settings, the scale, detail, roughness, etc. But now you want to add in more colors, so you want to press on this color ramp and you just press on the plus button. This will add in more colors and add more of a gradient like so. So you can just follow what I'm doing. This is basically the process of me creating a rust material. So now we're creating the wooden material, and now you want to add in a Voronoi texture. So you just go into this tab button and then just type in Voronoi texture and place it in between the noise texture and the color ramp, and that has basically created a new kind of wave system. I don't know what it's called. And now what you want to do is just change all the colors to like a brownish wooden type color, so then it matches what we want to create. And now let's skip forward to that. Now, so what we've done is basically applied the rustic material that we've made, but just added a Voronoi node to it, and now it looks like a wooden material. That's what I love about procedural materials. They're easily interchangeable like so, so you can just mess around with the scale and stuff, and now it looks like a wooden material. So that is perfect for your scenes in Blender scenes. And yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.